VW Golf infotainment systems, including MI2, MI3, and VWOS, integrate navigation, audio, connectivity, and diagnostics into a touchscreen unit. A soft reset is a simple power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or cycle the ignition. This clears minor glitches without losing data. For hard resets, disconnect the battery for 30 to 60 minutes to force a full system restart. This fixes more persistent bugs. A factory reset restores the system to original settings, erasing all user data. Access via Settings menu and be prepared to relink accounts. Remember to keep your system updated via the VW CarNet app to minimize the need for resets. To perform a soft reset, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or cycle the vehicle's ignition. This clears temporary glitches without data loss. For a hard reset, disconnect the battery for 30 to 60 minutes to force a full system restart. Note that MEB3 systems may require a dealer tool to avoid warranty issues. A factory reset can be accessed via Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Alternatively, use VW diagnostics software like VCDS to restore original settings. Common issues include touchscreen freezes, often resolved by soft resets. Bluetooth disconnections may need a hard reset. Calibration failures can be addressed with VW's firmware patch. If miscalibration persists in humid climates, look for a physical reset button hidden under the trim. Always start with the least invasive method, such as a soft reset, and escalate to harder resets only if necessary. This helps avoid data loss and preserves your settings.